reminds me of my ex-wife.
I'm right here.
They've done it again.
It's just an incredible narrative.
So transcendent.
I have no words.
What could you even say? Wow. Let's check that.
This is something.
Is it in here? Yeah, no. Stop. This isn't like a performance art thing. Does anyone have like a tissue I could borrow?
I love this.
This is incredible.
It's collective responsibility, repackaged as individual burden.
Reminds me of my ex-wife.
Please, could somebody, I could count at least like 16 of you right in front of me. One of you has to have a tissue.
It's reminiscent of how twin culture is ironically sexualizing the strength of these kids.
Please, somebody, please.
My son would be rolling in his grave if he could see this.
This is Trump's America.
Hello? But we buried him at sea.
Hashtag not all men.
Simply amazing.
Hello?
Is there like a cat in here or something?
I had a son.
Look at the light, look at the light, look at the light.
I'm crying.
I'm right here. Hello?
Please stop, this isn't stupid, pretentious art. This is me. This is who I am.
Whoa! I'm right here! This reminds me of my dead kid. I swear to God, if you motherfuckers keep ignoring me, this white bitch is gonna sneeze her last sneeze!
That's literally a knife. Oh my God. Okay. This is real. This is real. What do you mean? A therapist, you can get some help. There are other ways. There are other ways.
Don't, please don't. Like, I don't.
But this
We better get refunded!
Just give us your what really hits? I don't know the address of this gallery. Like, I don't.
Now this reminds me of my ex-wife.
I did it!
look.